This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Transit key battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, restoring full functionality to your key fob. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do at home. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side of the casing. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this slot. With a careful twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. The goal is to create a small gap. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This ensures you install the new one correctly. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the fresh CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards into the holder. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click. This confirms the casing is securely closed. Finally, test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking, to ensure everything is working perfectly. And hey, while you're upgrading, check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. They're worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.